Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the Post Market Analysis. Today is Tuesday, is July 2nd, 2024, and right now it's 6:18 p.m. So last night it opened and well, it looks green here, but it later kind of chopping and drifting and later getting a bit more kind of volatile, and eventually it's getting wild. And when if we look at it, it's kind of ridiculous. It's at first it dropped about what, like we mentioned, around this level, 55.23 ish, but at the end it turns out, as you can see, this a big up and down and things like that, but at the end it dropped all the way down to this 55.02, and we are talking about 33 points move here, and that's 33 points kind of below. I mean, that's the range that market moved yesterday, and kind of like a magic and miracle that the market is kind of coming back from here and coming all the way back. So by the open, which is around like a 9, so this is 9:30. 9:30 is actually basically come back by half, and so if we switch over here, so market here, it on the surface it opened down by about 16 points. So it stopped right at like a 54.58, which is like about 16 points below yesterday's close, and later it looks like it's pretty getting kind of it move up quickly and going above this what's that, this is the level of yesterday, the center of yesterday, which is 54.63, and after it moved above there, it seems like it never come back below there. And basically here is a pretty choppy time period, from what this is 9:42 to about here is 10:15 ish. It's very choppy, but eventually it kind of chose to, it looks like it's a kind of like a make the new high at like 10:30 ish. Certainly after 10:30 it's keep kind of move pushing higher. So and later here is like it went to this level, and this is one by measure, this is a one important level. It's from the middle here, and it basically move above here by kind of like 16 points here. So later it came back, and but I mean, it never really crossed below like a retrace by half of it. So that's that really kind of shows the strength of the market. And later it just keep kind of rolling up, going higher and higher, and just not really deep retrace from here, and eventually it went above like 5,500, and which is what we updated yesterday, and yeah, like it's going to challenge 5500 today. Yeah, indeed it did. And today the market moved 51 point in total. So it's a really fascinating move. It actually closed up, like as you can see here, it closed up by 33 points and 92. So it's fascinating. So tomorrow will be kind of like a interesting day, but it's the day before holiday, and it's kind of a very interesting day tomorrow. Let's because the market only open until 1 o'clock, and yeah, it'll open only until 1 o'clock. But if we look at the calendar, so let me make sure I'm reading the right one. So Wednesday, first is at 7 a.m. It has a speech coming from Fed William. And then 7 o'clock also have the mortgage, like a mortgage data. And 7:30 have Challenger job cuts data. So if we think about it, it's actually quite some important events happening early in the day. And then 8:15 has the ADP employment change. That's 8:15. The 8:30 have the like trade data, balance of trade, imports, exports, and 8:30 also have the jobless claim, and yeah, basically jobless claim data. And after the market open, 9:45 it has S&P global like a PMI data, and also and then also ISM service PMI data, factory orders, and yeah, there's a quite lots of like ISM data coming out, like business activity, employment, new orders, services prices, and things like that. And 10:30 is like have crude oil like inventory, and yeah, that's a lot of data coming out at 10:30. And 11:30 is just a typical treasury auctions, and then 15 years like a mortgage rate, that's like at 12 o'clock, that's a mortgage additional like a mortgage data for 15 years and 30 years. And 12 o'clock also have like a natural gas stock, and very funny things here is the 2 o'clock have the FOMC minutes. So based on what I read is tomorrow the market close at 1 o'clock. That means it doesn't matter whatever happened, the minutes at 1 o'clock everything's stopped. So that means like it's to me it's just kind of a very interesting day tomorrow. So half day, but 2 o'clock have a FOMC minutes, and lots of time the FOMC minutes still cause big kind of movement in the market, and after the market close and tomorrow night also have the vehicle sales data coming out. Yeah, that's for tomorrow. It's kind of fun, right? And of course, July 4th, that's holiday, nothing scheduled there. And then Friday is going to be a good day, big day. I don't know if it's going to be a good day or not. But in the early morning, I'm not sure where he's speaking from, but there's a speech from Fred Williams. And then the huge thing is that probably the biggest events of this week is 8:30 have the non-farm payrolls, unemployment rate, basically all the kind of non-farm payroll data. So that's going to be heavy, and then pretty much that's it, pretty clean. And then just 1 o'clock is like a big huge oil rig count. Unless you're trading oil, then this don't seem like anything significant. At 4:30, there's a Fed balance sheet. That's after market close. What a amazing week so far. So far, market moved about 63 points this week from the low to high, and yeah, so really this week market, well, being the fact that it's already at 55.09 close today, it seems a close really strong, and it's no-brainer to believe that it's going to make a new high this week. So it seems like it's going to continue to move up. I guess whatever the bearish sentiment and driving people crazy to buy, kind of to sell off, to buy the put or whatever, and I guess the people feel tremendous pain from that. And yeah, it would be quite interesting that how volatile it's going to be tomorrow. So looking at the tomorrow, probably, I don't know, probably it seems like pretty eventful tomorrow, even though it's a short day. And so tomorrow my take is that it could possibly move 25 points tomorrow, and which is typical, I think, the last few days, and oftentimes that we see that market move like the 25, the low is like 23 points, as low as like 19 points. It could be even 17 points. We shall see. And it could be like with whatever going on, the market might end up kind of closing at like 55.09. I don't know, maybe around that area, or probably close at the all-time high for the holiday. And I guess the people are just feeling good about it and being aggressive. I think that's all I want to share. And in terms of like Friday for sure is going to be a big day, and likely it could kind of move on another 50 points. So with that said, it could easily go to like a 55.50 this Friday, or probably even higher. We shall see. So just wish you all the best, and may the energy be with you all time.